First rates Thursday morning, last day of FNO expiry, no fireworks, bit of sparkles here and there is what markets are expecting and anticipating. And if one really looks at the market positioning, right now, gap up start, good market breadth. Now let's address some of the big newsmakers. Not too many newsmakers which would be having impact on the market mood per se, but I particularly want to look at ITC. Are we getting a wave of fresh buying in ITC? I particularly want to look at Bajaj Auto ahead of numbers, and in general I think the energy levels or excitement levels in some of the life insurance stocks and non-life insurance stocks, that's making a comeback. The top draw today is Bajaj Auto, but somewhere I think insurance could really be clubbed in and can be called as a comeback trade. It may last for next couple of days also, because hardly any pockets of bombed out activity is there, and insurance is one where price action is poor, turn is happening, valuations are decent, and smart money has moved in. I like that combination to talk about short-term trends, and I think insurance is like the coin is just falling in the slot, so to speak now.
All right, but also let's have a look at some of the other newsmakers and some of the earning candidates. Watch out for Cummins India. The company did come out with a decent set of earnings. The stock is holding on to the gains of over 2% right now. Sale is another strong counter. Good set of numbers, rather surprised the street estimates as well. Almost a 2% jump on this counter. ITC too holding up in the shade of green. Deepak Nitrite reacting to its numbers, higher by 3% right now. Two of the realty counters are also in focus on the back of that Morgan Stanley upgrade coming in. Prestige Estate as well as DLF, where Morgan Stanley has gone ahead and upgraded the rating on both of these names. They are also bucking up the trend. So all in all, seems like a great start for the markets. We are above that 24,880 odd mark, while Nifty Bank almost a 280 points of gain as we speak, while India Wix, that's index is actually coming down, almost a 4% decline as we speak, and the breadth of the market is looking really cheerful at this point in time, especially when it comes to the advances. So good start for the markets, but Kunal, how do you see this particular start? Where are we headed from here on, given the fact that today is the monthly options expiry day?
Yeah, it's going to be a interesting series, because interesting end to the series, because we've seen the last 2 months being quite positive for the benchmark indices. So which means that the expectation is the markets would probably look out for much more on the positive side in terms of rollovers. In terms of opening trade, I would look at Container Corporation stock, which has been looking quite strong over the last few weeks, and then I think at 770 plus levels, that's a stock which I would look to trade in the open.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.